got batteries. You got peppermints now.
Here we go.
Hey, Stephanie! I was just back there breaking wind. I noticed that you guys have some cool socks at Zia. Right?
Those are my favorite.
All right. What is this?
That is a Lady Rainicorn backpack.
It looks like a mess, but I think kids are into it, right?
Yep, there's the Rainicorn hood.
If you're a horrible parent and wait until the last minute, come down here and get this, Zia. What else? Adventure Time.
Adventure Time Monopoly.
For stoners, kids. Hey, kids. You want to play Adventure Time for 4 hours?
Some mood mustaches, so everyone knows your mood.
And what record do you want this year?
Arctic Monkeys. This is the album of the year. It's kind of great. We have it on vinyl too.
Ah! Yoink! Comics! Boom! Hey, young man, what do you have there?
The Krampus ornament,
Sure?
because he's better than Santa.
That's a lie.
The Lost Boys, because that's Christmassy.
So this is garbage. Yeah, Lost Boys, real Christmassy.
Breaking Bad, also very Christmassy. Season 5,
Yeah, if you haven't watched this yet,
it's full of Christmas joy and love. Arkham Asylum by Grant Morrison is my favorite comic author, and it's Batman, so,
nice. We have a bunch of hardcover trade paperbacks here at Zia.
We do.
Used. Great price.
And then Game of Thrones, the first book from George R.R. Martin in his Song of Ice and Fire.
It's about werewolves.
No.
No. Bad. No. Naughty. No. No. Sure. Why not? New and used records for Christmas. Hey, young man, what do you have here from Zia Records you want for Christmas?
There's actually several things. There's Death from Above, 1979.
Great, they were at Coachella this year. Was it this year?
I think it was.
I think it was. Used for $3.99. What?
Batman, the Brave and the Bold for Wii.
Nice. Used also, $11.99. Look at Brian over here taking notes.
Absolutely. Got great deals going on at Zia.
Oh, look at this little
Look at that.
improvisation. What do you got there?
Folklore for PS3.
Yeah, here's this game. Used also.
Used
Damn.
also.
All right, what do you got there? It's like a Sun record.
Yep, Sun, Black One LP. This is new, actually.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it was re-released this year.
All your needs. Zia Records. Oh, shit. I'm back.